Hello everyone, this is Orhan and this is my website retirehustler.com, and I'm building this website mainly for this options tracker which I will show you in a minute. But together with that I have here my YouTube channel link and my Discord link. And if you have any questions about this platform, about Options Tracker, which I will present in a moment, you can feel free to drop me an email here, or you can join my Discord channel. And I'm building this Options Tracker for everyone's usage actually, because like I start this idea because I was doing everything in Excels. Like I was trying to bring some real-time stock data with some formulas to the Excel, or like I was trying to stimulate like, okay, I opened this leaps option. So what if stock price went close to this number, how much I would profit? I was making like delta calculations in Excel. Also, for example, like I'm checking every day, okay, which stocks went down RSI to 30, which stock went to Bollinger Band down. I was thinking like there should be some like way to give me some alerts in those indicators. So I start looking some APIs, but first I try those with some codes in Excels, in Google Sheets, but then I decide, okay, I think I should take this in a serious way because I really want to be an options trader as my first source of income. So I decided to build this platform where I already pay an API and I'm taking real-time options chain data together with all the Greeks and all the indicators. So I'm really excited about it, I would say. Like I hope you can take some advantage of this tool as well. And right now anyone can access to the tool. And my hope is in return, just share your feedbacks with me, like what you would be get benefit from this tool, what kind of alert mechanism maybe you would prefer to add this tool. So let's make this tool better and better every day and use it in our options trading journey. So let's start reviewing the tool. So I will click here and it will actually ask me to open an account first of all. So I will go and create a brand new account for you to show. So this screen is the screen you will see in the beginning. When you open your account, it is brand new, zero data inside. There is no trades in trade journal or any of the analytics page. So first of all, you need to enter your trades. So here the trade journal is kind of a Excel file, I would say, and you can add your trades by just one by one if you want with this add trade button here. You can enter your strike prices, expiration dates, and delta and the quantities, and they will come here as an Excel. Or alternatively, you can just upload if you have a current Excel file, you can upload your file here. So let me actually go and upload and show you how it works. Here you will see some instructions how to upload. Please follow those. There's like required columns is highlighted here. And there's also like date formats. You need to be careful, otherwise it won't come properly. So I will go and here I upload my file. I will click just import trades, and all of them is coming like this. And right now, if I go to any analytics page, it will show me, okay, I have 44 open options and my weekly profit average is this, monthly profit average this. But let's first start with the dashboard tab. So here, as you can see, there is some scorecards and you can create your goal here. You can define your goal, whatever it is, 50K goal, and you can start a date maybe. Let's say start from the August to August, and you can put your amount of the goal. And right now it will be calculating like this. So let's edit, make it more than 50,000. So we have this 200 goal, and we are on the 23% goal. So we have here time progress, and we have here the profit progress. So here there are scorecards. It shows like this week's total profit and loss, and months, and overall success rates from your closed trades, and average return of capital. And there's this monthly profit bars, and here there's an expiring soon visual. It shows if there's any expiring trades. So let's see, actually, let's go and update one of the expiration date. So instead of 2026, actually, let's say this trade will expire next week. Let's say on 26. Save, and we are coming back here, and we can see here our expiring trades. So it shows 26, and it shows all expiring trades within 7 days. And if you click this one, you can see that trade, exactly that trades in your journal as well. So we are going back here. We have also requires attention section. So what this section does, it shows if your current price is past your strike price or get close by 2%, it will be here alert you. Like for example, I have a strike price in a put, cash secured put, so the current price is already past my strike price. So this one is also already passed. And for example, Costco. So I have this 885 put credit spreads. So the current price is didn't pass yet, but by 2% it's close. So it is showing me this kind of trades, either if the strike price pass the current price or get close. So again, you can click here and see that 9 trade details. You can download, you can do whatever you want. And most of the visuals are clickable. So October, you can just click October and you can see October close trades here with the profit and with the amount of trades here and the total profit. And you can see here this week's trades. And again, you can click, just as you can see, like 17, 23 November, you can just click this one and see your closed trades. You can just unfilter here, and you can access more detailed filters. For example, you want to see your Amazon trades, let's see, and close Amazon trades. Okay, you did like 37 Amazon trades and you profit this one. Or you want to make a filter based on your strategies, like for example, leaps calls. Okay, how many leaps calls I close and how many profited this quickly. You can access that. Or you can say, oh, do I have any NVIDIA open trades? Okay, here they are. You have 2 NVIDIA open trades. And again, like you can say, okay, like anything expiring in December. Okay, I have a 1 December expiration ticket here. Trade. So it's really quick and useful filters here. Like I said, if you have any more ideas, so feel free to reach out, and I'm willing to adjust based on everyone's need. So here we have an analytics page. There you will see here many detailed charts like the total open positions, average weekly, average win per trade out of like 150 trade, 470 per trade winning. And you can put your goals here, your monthly goals, weekly goals, just like the yearly goals, like the in the dashboard tab. And it can show you it's achieved or remaining. Here, the first chart is a profit curve. It's a cumulative profit over time. You can see your improvement here and together with some scorecards, like top strategy is long calls with 25,000 profit. Top ticker is like Netflix with this amount. And we have a max drawdown 800 here, I think. And recovery time of the drops is 2 days. Current total profit and how well we are doing in our monthly goal, winning and losing trades. And what was our worst day on 14? We had 5 trades on that day and we closed the day in minus. What was our best day? And in terms of probability, and it shows an insight here. Netflix has generated the most profit at 20,000, and it shows you how many trades and what was the most profitable trades in your whole trade journal. You can click that and see what was that Netflix 6. It is mentioned there. So like I mentioned, like most of the numbers are clickable and you can see those details. I really like this visual. It shows me my duration. So it shows another insight here, which is most of my trades are actually closed 0 to 7 days. For example, I closed 48 trades 0 to 7 and 8 to 14 days, 19 trades. And it shows me also average days by strategy. So I actually closing my long calls with the shortest duration, and my poor man's cover calls is the longest one. Here I have a risk exposure, so it is calculating collateral based on your open price. If it's a long call, it is taking, if it's a purchase call, it is taking from what you paid. If it's, let's say, a put credit spread, it is taking the maximum loss. And if it's cash secured put, or if it's a covered call, it is taking your strike prices as a collateral. And right now, for example, Amazon is my highest risk exposure because I have many cash secured puts and some long calls on that. So let's go back here, and we have here a win-loss streak analysis. So it shows a nice motivating sequence here. So right now I'm in a 9-day streak. I didn't have any loss. So in one point I had a 80 days streak then, but this happened, I think, my first loss. But yeah, it is shows me and kind of push me harder on having longer streaks. And here there's a strategy profit breakdown. My highest profit strategy is long calls and leaps and wheel strategy, and then credit spreads. And another monthly performance breakdown with the current month and current monthly numbers. So this was analytics charts. As I mentioned, if you have any idea on a valuable visual, feel free to reach out. I might consider to adding it. And here, maybe I think my favorite tab here. So this is a watch list. So you can add here stocks to your watch list, and the tool will tell you which one of them goes, let's say, below 200-day moving day average and below 100-day moving average, which one is below RSI, like oversold below 30 RSI, and where they are in the Bollinger Band. Is it near upper band or lower band? In stochastic indicator, are they above 80, below 20? And based on these combinations, it will tell you, okay, like this stocks can be a put credit spread or cash good put opportunities, and this one is can be a call credit spread opportunities. So let's add some stocks, for example, to our watch list and see. So I will, let's say, I will skip these alerts, but right now I will add a few stocks here. So let's add some Amazon, Uber, let's say Microsoft. So then I'm going to click the update indicators. I will just wait a few seconds and it is here. It took like 3 seconds to check all of your watch lists. You can add like 50, 100, whatever. And here, as you can see, Costco is below 200-day moving average and it is near lower band. So I formulate these put credit spread and cash secured put opportunities as based on 3 indicators. If the stock goes below 20 stochastic indicator and below 100 moving day average, and if it's near lower Bollinger Band, it is categorized this as a put credit spread option or cash secured put option. So here in Microsoft, we can see it is even RSI below 30, and if it is below 100-day moving average, stochastic and near, it is covering our formula, and it shows us as a put credit spread cash secured put opportunity. And here you can click and see the Microsoft chart in TradingView free account. And as you can see here, Microsoft is just below 100-day moving average, and stochastic is below 30, and RSI below 30. So in the past, what I was doing, I was checking one by one to all of these stocks here. I was starting like clicking, okay, in DocuSign, was it is a good opportunity to enter a put credit spreads, and let's see the TLT. This one is actually is middle Bollinger Band. So that actually it went up around 50 level. So let me check to another one. Like I'm going one by one. Oh, Nike is still not in the lower stochastic and lower band. So literally I was going one by one to decide a put credit spread or call credit spread or cash secured put. So this saves me tons of time. In my main account, I have like 100 stocks in my watch list. I'm just clicking and seeing a few put credit spread or cash secured put opportunities here, and I can easily access them with one button to that chart. Here in Uber, it shows me also, let's see, below 30 RSI, and stochastic is below 20. As you can see, below 30 RSI, stochastic below 20. It shows correctly, and it is doing this in two seconds. So I'm really liking this tab, and I'm thinking add more indicators like some MACD indicator maybe, and I will see. Let me know if you have any other favorite indicators that you found benefit, so we can add here more indicators. So next one is earning calendar here. So right now I'm still working on this one. I'm trying to get a earning calendar API as a real time, and it will be here in the calendar. It will show you your watch list and their earnings in the calendar. And here there is a credit spread strategy tester. You can put your ticker symbol here, either like a put credit spread or call credit spread. You can define your underlying prices. Right now at the moment is 185, and you are creating your spread with 180 and 175 put credit spread, and it shows you what is your break-even price, what is your maximum loss, what is your maximum profit. And I was struggling with my broker account. Actually, this profit profile is really like hard to access, and this shows me quickly. And I'm thinking to add more tester here, kind of other strategies like leaps or iron condor. Maybe I can add more strategy tester here. I'm also thinking to develop this as a kind of a back tester, so you can put a certain date frame, and the historical option data can make you, for example, you will say 40 days expiration and 20 delta strike prices, a put credit spreads in QQQ for the past 5 years, how it react, how it profit or loss. So I'm thinking to develop this testing in a more detailed way with more strategies and with back testing as well. And here I have a leap simulator. I mentioned about this one in one of my videos. So you can basically, what you can do here, let's say you are thinking to buy a leaps option with a strike price of 540, and your delta is like 80 delta, and current stock price is, let's say, 600. And you are wondering what would be your profit when the stock price goes to 650, 700, 750, and you paid a premium of $15,000 probably for Meta, and you buy like 3 contracts, and your expiration is around 2027, let's say January. And let's run the simulation. As you can see, it shows you, okay, if the stock price reach out to 650, which is a 50-point move from your entry price, your profit would be around 3,940. And your total profit would be this, and ROI would be 26%. But this is based on within 30 days. If let's say you make a simulation in 90 days, since that value will go down, so your profit is going down accordingly. Also, you can play with an IV shift. Let's say we had a IV crash, so again your profit is changing accordingly. So you can see here your profit in detail in a curve, and you can increase your future stock price simulations and with different strike prices and entry stock prices. So again, let me know if you have any comments on leaps. I will try to add here more grid data maybe in the future, maybe a delta range maybe. I'm open for also feedbacks on this one. So we have here a wheel scanner. So right now I'm working on this one. It is showing me, it is going to show me the opportunities for the stocks I'm entering here, and I will be able to say, okay, like the credit risk ratio should be minimum or maximum, or this one, RSI should be below this value, and it should be lower band, and in maximum 1%, 2%, if you want to really buy the wheel option on the Bollinger Band, on the lower band, and the expiration rate should be this one, and exclude the earning days within 7 days or within 10 days. So you are running the scanner and it shows you which one is actually matching with the values you are entering here. Right now it is not running correctly, but in the future it will be like pass options here, and it will show you, okay, all 5 is pass, is spread pass and Bollinger Band RSI, and it will say yes, and it will show you one opportunity here. And it can just, you can comma separated 100 stock here, and you can run it in a few seconds to see the opportunities based on multiple values. So I'm still thinking to add more values here, and of course I'm trying to make it taking the Greeks right now, because I'm able to pull the indicators, but still I need to work on the option chain and data for this one. So next tabs here, I'm going to add some like educational materials here. If I found something really good, an article, a video about strategies, like kind of complex strategies like iron condors, like poor man's cover call, and some other strategies, maybe I can add some of my videos here, the ones people get value most. And here there will be news, so it will be from your trade tickets. You will just refresh the news button, and all the across 5, 6 programs, platforms like Yahoo Finance and Wall Street Journal, I will fetch news on those tickets of your trade journal. This is overall the Options Tracker platform. Right now, as I mentioned, it is work in progress for this bottom tabs, but the remaining part like Trade Journal, Dashboard, Analytics, and Watch List is working fine. You can start using it by creating your account from retirehustler.com. And as I mentioned, I'm going to add really cool features like some N8N workflow actions. Like I'm thinking, okay, I want to get some alerts if a strike price get closer to my price, or I will create some watch list and that delta is getting to my desired price. I will get some emails alerts, like some WhatsApp alerts. So I'm planning to make some more cool features to this one. And I'm also making some connection with my Discord channel. So every day at the market close, my close trades will be sent to the Discord channel, where you can see what is my close trades of the day, what is my new open trades of the day. So I'm going to try to improve this platform as much as I can. So I would really appreciate with your comments and feedbacks to this tool. So I want everyone get some benefit from this tool. So yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts on the comments, and feel free to subscribe my channel to see how this tool will evolve with time. Have a nice weekend, everyone. See you in next video.